Welcome to Aptitude for Placements, and my name is Ranjit. I have conducted this aptitude training program at various engineering colleges all over India, and every year thousands of students get placed by attending this aptitude training program. Here you will find all the questions that are commonly encountered in most of the aptitude tests. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of these tests. So just familiarize yourself with all these questions and you will have a clear advantage when you attempt your actual placement test. Let's start. A man buys mangoes at a rate of rupees 10 for 5 mangoes. So first of all we'll calculate the cost price. Now he buys 5 mangoes for rupees 10. So 5 mangoes for rupees 10. So we'll find out the cost price per mango. So cost price per mango is 10 by 5. So you will get it as rupees 2. So rupees 2 is the cost price per mango. Next, let us calculate the selling price. He sells them at a rate of rupees 25 for 10 mangoes. So for 10 mangoes, the selling price is rupees 25. So let us calculate the selling price per mango. So that will be rupees 25 for 10. So that you will get it as rupees 2.5. Now the question is, what is his profit percentage? His cost price is rupees 2 per mango and his selling price is rupees 2.5 per mango. Now profit percentage is given as profit out of cost price into 100 gives you profit percentage. So we'll just substitute into this equation. His cost price is 2 and he is selling it at 2 rupees 50 paise. So his profit will be SP minus CP, that is 2.5 minus 2, profit will be 0.5 or 50 paise. Out of CP, CP is 2. So profit out of CP is 2 into 100 gives you profit percentage. So 0.5 into 100 is 50, 50 by 2 is 25 percentage. So profit percentage is 25 percentage, that is option A. A man buys mangoes at a rate of rupees 12 for 3 mangoes. So first of all let us calculate the cost price. He buys it at rupees 12 for 3 mangoes. So for 3 mangoes he pays rupees 12. So first we'll calculate the cost price per mango. So that will be rupees 12 for 3 mangoes. So you will get it as rupees 4. So this is the cost price per mango, rupees 4. Next we'll calculate the selling price. He sells them at a rate of rupees 10 for 2 mangoes. So for 2 mangoes he collects rupees 10. So we'll calculate the selling price per mango. That is 10 rupees for 2 mangoes. So the selling price is rupees 5. So his cost price per mango is rupees 4 and he sells them at rupees 5. Then what will be the profit percentage? So you have the basic equation, profit out of cost price into 100 gives you profit percentage. So we'll just substitute into this equation. His cost price is 4 and he sells it at 5. So he makes a profit of 1. That is SP minus CP, 5 minus 4. Profit is 1 out of CP. Cost price is 4 into 100 gives you profit percentage. That is 100 by 4 gives you 25% profit. So his profit percentage will be 25%, option C. A dishonest trader professes to sell his goods at cost price. Professes means he says like that, but he uses an 800 gram weight instead of the 1 kilogram weight. Find his profit percentage. Now what we will do is we will assume a value for his cost price. So we will assume that his cost price is rupees 1 per gram. So assume that he paid rupees 1 per gram of that substance, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Now he is supposed to sell 1 kilogram of that substance. He is using a 1 kilogram weight. So first we will find out the total selling price. Now he is saying that his selling price is same as the cost price. His cost price is rupees 1. So selling price will also be rupees 1 per gram. And like that for 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. 1 rupees per gram for 1000 grams. So his selling price will be rupees 1000. Now next let us calculate his actual cost price. Now actually he is giving only 800 grams of that substance, and his cost price per gram is 1 rupees, and like that for 800 grams his total cost price is only rupees 800. So his cost price is 800 and he is selling it at rupees 1000. Then what will be the profit percentage? That formula is given as profit out of CP into 100 gives you profit percentage. So we'll just substitute into this formula. Now profit is SP minus CP. SP is 1000 minus CP is 800. His cost price is 800. He is selling it at 1000. So 1000 minus 800, profit is rupees 200. Out of CP. CP is rupees 800. His cost price is 800. Into 100 gives you profit percentage. I'll cancel out the zeros here. 2 divides 4 times. So 100 by 4. 100 by 2 is 50. By 2 is 25. So his actual profit percentage will be 25% profit. That is option B. A dishonest trader professes to sell his goods at cost price, but he uses a 10 gram weight instead of the 15 gram weight. Find his profit percentage. So first of all, we will assume a value for the cost price. Now we will assume that the cost price is 1 rupee per gram. Assume that the cost price that he paid is 1 rupee per gram. So if you assume 1 rupee per gram, we can easily calculate. That is why we are assuming it to be 1. Now let us calculate his selling price. He is saying that he'll give 15 grams. Now, and that is at cost price. His cost price is 1 rupee per gram, and like that for 15 grams. So he is actually selling it for rupees 15. That is 1 rupee per gram for 15 grams. Now let us find his actual cost price. Now he uses a 10 gram weight. So actually he gives only 10 grams. And his cost price per gram is 1. And like that for 10 grams his actual cost price is rupees 10. And he is selling it at 15. Then what will be the profit percentage? Profit percentage is given by this formula, that is profit out of CP into 100 gives you profit percentage. So this is the formula. We'll just substitute into the formula. Now profit is SP minus CP. His cost price is 10. He is selling it at 15. So 15 minus 10. So profit is 5 out of CP. CP is 10 into 100 gives you profit percentage. So I'll cancel out 1 0. So 5 into 10 is 50% profit. Hence option A, 50% profit. Find his profit percentage, it will be 50% profit. A trader usually sells rice at a profit of 20%. During one transaction, he used a weight which is 20% less. Find his profit percentage during that transaction. So first of all, we will assume a cost price for the rice. Then that will make the calculation a lot easier. So we will assume that the cost price is rupees 1 per gram. So if you assume it is rupees 1 per gram, then the calculation will be a lot easy. Now we will assume that the total quantity that he sells is 100 gram. So first we'll find out the selling price for 100 grams. Now his cost price is 1 rupee per gram. Like that for 100 grams, his actual cost price for 100 grams will be 100. Now he sells with a profit of 20%. To get a profit of 20%, he has to increase the cost price by 20%. So if you increase it by 20%, you will get a 20% profit. So that will be 100 into 100 plus 20 by 100. So 100 and 100 cancels out. 100 plus 20, you will get it as 120. So his actual selling price will be rupees 120. Now we'll find his cost price. For 100 grams, his cost price is 1 rupee per gram, like that for 100 grams. So his cost price actually will be 100. But he used the weight which is 20% less. So he does not give the full 100 grams. He uses a weight which is 20% less. So you have to reduce this value by 20%. That will be 100 minus 20 by 100. 100 and 100 cancels out. So 100 minus 20, you will get it as 80. So he actually gives only 80 grams. And his cost price per gram is rupees 1. Like that for 80 grams. So his cost price will be rupees 80. So his cost price is 80 and selling price is 120. What will be the profit percentage? Equation is given as profit out of CP into 100 gives you profit percentage. This is the formula. Now his cost price is 80 and he is sell it at 120. So SP minus CP, 120 minus 80, profit is 40. Out of CP, that is 80. Into 100 gives you profit percentage. 40 divides 2 times, 2 divides 50 times. So the actual profit will be 50% in that transaction. So why find his profit percentage during that transaction? It will be 50% profit, option C. Let me briefly explain how to prepare for your aptitude test. First of all, you need to familiarize yourself with all the questions that have been worked out here. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of the aptitude tests. After that, you need to attempt practice tests. According to me, you need to attempt at least 10 practice tests before your actual placement test. Here, I will be giving you 10 practice tests, and these practice tests will be ideal for you to improve your test scores. The 10 practice tests are available at a cost of only rupees 200. So all that you need to do is make a payment of rupees 200 either through Google Pay or through Phone Pay or through Paytm, and you will receive the 10 practice tests. The details of the payment comes next.